Hi, I'm Andrea Myers. The text boxes in Google Sites have a number of helpful features. Let's create a few and see how it works. Make sure you are on the Insert menu. Click Text Box and one will appear on the screen. The box is active and ready to edit. Notice the formatting toolbar above. Each text box is formatted separately so you can customize the look. You can choose from styles, font formatting, alignment, lists, hyperlinks, code font, strike through, and clear formatting. You can even delete your text box from here. Styles are customized for the themes to maintain a consistent look and feel throughout your site. So you can choose from title, heading, and subheading. I'm going to choose the heading style for this box. Now let's add some body text. Insert another text box which will go below the first. I'm going to paste in some introductory text here. The next important step is to group the boxes. You want the body text to group with the heading text because this controls the flow when the site resizes for different mobile screens. Hover your mouse near the top of the box and the four-way handle will appear. Click and drag the box to attach it to the header. You're looking for a bold line which shows you where it will land. So if I put it here, it's going to go below the text. It could go on the left side, the right side, or above. We're going to attach it below. If it lands in the wrong place, just click and drag it again. And now they are grouped. You can also resize the boxes and place them next to each other. Just click and drag the handle and use the grid to align it. The design grid is helpful because you can use it to select the best size and align the text box with other objects. The narrow columns in the grid are for placing objects apart and give you plenty of white space. Here's an example. You can add as many text boxes as you want, and sites will automatically save your changes. Remember to click the Publish button to make the changes public.